This is the fast bag. The first thing you want to do pull it out of the bag. Second thing you want to do is make sure that the color, whether you're using grout or patch, it's going to say what the color is, and if it's patch or grout right there on the bag. On the other side of the bag, it explains Part A resin, Part C cements, and Part B resin. It has the step-by-step instructions. When you're ready to use the fast bag, first thing you do is pull the first pin. Now you can mix this by hand, but the most efficient way is to take the holder and start working it back and forth. You want to do this for 2 minutes. Now, this only has the Part A resin and the cements mixed together. You're not going to start hardening or getting a reaction until the Part B is mixed with both these items. Now when you're ready to put it in the holes or the hairline crack or whatever it may be that you're filling with the product, or even if you're using it to grout the entire floor, when you're ready to go, floor's clean, holes clean, cracks clean, you pull the second one. Now this is mixed. The next thing you do is, if you're filling hairline cracks, I would cut it really small right here. If you're filling holes, I'd cut it a little bigger. If you're grouting the floor, then cut the whole thing off. One thing that is helpful is to take this pin and place it back. And now you have a handle. So when you cut this end, you have a handle, and you also have a way to roll it and get the most out of the material. Cut this one small.